Alright everybody, how's it going? A little tired. I work 14 hours a day, but I figured we'd give this a shot. We're going to try to pick and gut this 7240. And here's what the bidding looks like. Pretty good bidding, but most abuses have good bidding. I got a Peterson. Where is that? Alright, Peterson gem. And we're gonna see if we can't pick this thing open and take a look at the pins inside afterwards. Get some focus. Alright. First of all, I apologize. I just noticed how dirty my hands were. And I just got home and started picking because I felt like picking. So oop. Pin number 5, felt like I may have said it, which doesn't mean much because with Davis's you drop lots of pins. Lots of pins. Usually you'll have to revisit pins all the time. Well, I do anyways. And I had them pins talking for a minute. Okay. Felt like I got a little click off of 5. 5's giving me a little, no, 6 I think is giving me a little bit of feedback. Got a click off of 5. Sorry guys, it's kind of a funky angle. But pin 3. Saying something. Felt like I said it there. Got a click off of 2, that felt like. Pin 3's give me feedback again. And it's set. And pin 6 feels like give me feedback. Felt like I got that one set too. Pin 4. Yeah. And there it is. Alright. Okay, you're gonna have to bear with me here on the gun because I haven't done it on video yet. We're gonna see what we can't do. Plus I also have an iPhone, so Bobby Keys knows the struggle with that. Let's see, where's my screwdriver? I just set it out here. Okay. I believe this will fit in that lock. Yep, there we go. I've never had these locks open here, so I picked this one a time or two, but not for quite a while. Let's see if we can't pop this clip off without hurting ourselves. Okay, let's try something here. We can spin this around to where it's no, I don't want to do that. Alright, let me grab a different pick so I don't bust my good pick. Guess I should have been a little more prepared. But hey, I don't think working 14 hours and then doing this is probably the best plan anyways, but I was excited to do a video today. There it is, look at that. Alright. Good thing we got the key. A little tip here for you guys. These G2, or I think they're G2 or G3 pins, they work good for followers. Oh no, I didn't realize that that was gonna have a tailpiece on it. Here, just a second here. Actually, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut the back of this G2 pin out so that this follower will work. I was not prepared at all, guys, but we know how to improvise. As long as this G2 fits in these ones, it fits in Americans, and I think they're close to the same thing. So I think I bent that. All right. Oh, did I get under all those? Yep. All right. Never seen the inside of this lock, so it's you and I both first time. Be pin number 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And there's 6. And there's 5. They're all standard. And then let's get to the good part. This ain't the best follower either, guys, but we'll get her done. Let's see, pin 1 is a standard, looks like. Let's just do this fast, we'll let them pop out. Pin 2 is a spool. Alright. Pin 3. I lost, looks like. Oh no, there it went. Is a spool. Pin 4 is another spool. Pin 5 is another spool. And there it is. Pin 6 is another spool. Alright guys, I'll do the best at giving you guys a little close-up of these pins. Gosh darn iPhones, I'll tell you what. And there you go. And that's an Avis 7240. And that would be my first pick and gut on video. Sorry it was kind of a mess, guys. And then that'd be my second video. Alright everybody, if you don't have consent, keep your pick in your pants. Thanks, have a good day.